Hi guys, my name is Manuel Flores, and my most memorable learning experience would have to be in high school. When I was my senior year in high school, my attitude was coming out, and I was being rude, and I wasn't caring about anything, or I was talking back and not turning in my work because I wanted to prove a point. And one of the teachers that I had, her name was Miss Cardenas, was really not having it. So it wasn't affecting her. It wasn't bothering her at all. She would just, you know, ignore me, push it to the side, and I was like, why are you ignoring me? Like, you need to pay attention to me. So I kind of wanted that attention to it. But I realized, and what I learned was that with me not turning in my homework and giving her attitude and just disregarding the fact of my own education, it wasn't hurting her. She cared, but she didn't care of the fact that I was giving her that attitude. She knew that this wasn't affecting her grade. It was affecting my grade. And it was affecting my behavior in class. So one thing I learned was how to kind of understand her point of view and where she was standing and where I was standing. And where I was standing was more rude and more making a fool out of myself. So if I was able to go back into that time frame into my senior class, I'd really, first of all, apologize to her, and second of all, take what she was teaching into consideration, because she was a fantastic teacher, and I hope you guys all had that fantastic teacher in your high school that was able to help you guys kind of cope with your attitude and understand where everything was coming from, and understand why you're acting the way you were, because she really helped me figure myself out and kind of help me get into the teaching profession, because that's where I want to go up to now, is being, I want to use her as an example and as my role model as well.